So if you guys already know, man, or haven't heard about it already, Dodge announced the 2020 wide-body Hellcat Charger. They announced it yesterday. Today is Friday. They announced it yesterday. So this is how I feel about it. Let me show y'all a quick clip of it. Look, it looks good. I ain't gonna lie. It looks beastly. It looks a lot meaner than the other Hellcat did. This is my take on it, man. I was super excited. I was waiting for this car to come out for a long time. Everybody knows that's all I've been talking about is I want the new Charger wide body Hellcat, yada yada yada. But a little disappointed, man, because I thought there was gonna be a red eye edition and there's not. So actually, you know what? While I'm talking here, I'm gonna go put this back. Oh, and by the way, yo, this electric lawnmower is, it's crazy. It's so good. I love this lawnmower. I just got it like last week and it's been doing a job. So let me know if y'all want me to do a review on it and I'll let y'all know, man. This thing's solid. It's pretty solid. Back to what I was saying. It didn't come out. They did not do the red eye version, and that's pretty much the one I was waiting on. That's the one I wanted pretty bad. So I was super excited when I saw it, but then again, I was kind of disappointed because it's like, there's no changes. Yeah, they threw some fender flares on there, and then that's pretty much it. Now, I did watch a bunch of videos that kind of stated this wasn't gonna be this wasn't gonna be like the finished product, which is cool. Usually, Dodge like to play games, which is honestly good because they have the best marketing because they like to do their marketing a certain way. They don't announce everything all at once, which we all know. Honestly, I was just looking forward to it now, man. I wanted mine by the end of the year. I'm not even gonna lie to y'all, but it's not looking good. It probably won't be till beginning of next year if anything does come out. The stats, here you go. You got 203 or 4 miles per hour, I think it is, and 0 to 60 is 3.4. The quarter mile is 11 point something, I think, and I want to say that was it. I think that's all the stats for it. Now the new model, the 196 mile per hour top speed, does 0 to 60 in 3.6, so it's 0.2 seconds slower. And then I think the quarter mile, for some odd reason, the quarter mile is a little faster, which doesn't really make sense to me, but who knows? It's probably something to do with the bigger tires. A quarter mile is 10.8, 10.9, one of those. Now, I just found that odd that it's a new car and it's a lot slower. It makes sense. Honestly, it makes sense, but it doesn't. Like, why do a new car that's slower? Obviously, it probably has more weight. The new bumpers, the fender flares got put on. It's kind of all one piece, so it's part of the rear and front bumper now. And then it's also the other half, the other like portion of it is part of the door. I don't know how to feel, man. Like, I wanted this car so bad, but it's like I'm still kind of excited for it, but it's like now I feel like I gotta wait even longer because I really want the red eye model, man. And it's not because honestly, it's just everybody has a Hellcat, man. Not a lot of people have a red eye. And yes, I get it, it's the same car. It's definitely the same car, just with some tweaks on the tune or a different motor. Kind of the same car, but it's just that statement. It's just a statement. You got a red eye. Like as anybody coming to you, it's a Hellcat. No, it's a red eye. Like, it's a difference. It is a difference. And I'm pretty sure that 97 that 797 versus 707, that 90 horsepower difference, it's got to be some type of difference. The new one does have a stiffer suspension and all that good stuff. They changed the mechanics of it, so it does handle the bigger tires. Honestly, it looks like I'm gonna be waiting until 2021, man, and I really didn't want to. I really wanted this car this year, so I don't know. Like, I really don't know how to. Just drop some comments below. Let me know how y'all feel, man, because to me the Challenger still got all the love, man. All they did was throw those wide body flares on the Charger, and I will admit, it does look better than the wide body Challenger. And that's just me. Like, I think it looks better. It just looks a lot meaner than the Challenger do. Now, if you did watch Tim's video, he did state this is step one of bringing the love back for the Charger, which I get. I definitely want the red eye, man. I'm pretty sure everybody that has a Charger wants a red eye charger too, not just a wide body. Because honestly, I don't think that trading in a 2015 to 2019 charger for one is worth just the flares, you know. But that's just me. But I'm about to head up to BMW right now and meet my guy. Ciao. Man. Yeah, I just don't think that buying a 2020 is worth just the flares, you know. Bigger tires, yeah, but I don't see it being completely worth it for just that right now. We gonna see. Y'all already know, man. Mopar or no car, baby. You ride or die. So I'ma hold in there for Dodge. I'ma see what's up. I know y'all hear my nasty loud car right now. Catalytic converter went bad. That's for another video though. 707 is a lot too, but we already used to that, man. We don't have that in the Charger for over 5 years. We need something different. We need something different, Dodge. We need something in the 800s. Even I'm cool with 797, 800, whatever y'all want to do. We need something in that area, man. So, and honestly, I wanted to make this for all the current Hellcat owners of Chargers, because again, I'm a Charger lover. I like both Challenger and Charger, but I gotta have a Charger, man. It's just more what's the word for it I'm looking for? It's more practical for me because I got a son. Usually I'm with my girl and my son. We always go places in my car, so I need that bigger car. The Challenger's big too, but I just gotta have 4 doors, man. So to see that they finally bringing a little bit of love back to the Charger is good, but not enough love, baby. Not enough. We need more, man. We need more. So if anybody watching this video and you're a current Hellcat owner, just let me know how you feel about the situation. If you upgrade in any way, because honestly, I would still buy it because I don't own a Hellcat right now. Like, that's my dream car. That's what I want. I want a Hellcat. So that Widebody would be a good choice for me. They also did the Widebody Scatpack too, which looked real good, honestly. I like the wheels on that one better. But current Hellcat owners, if y'all watching this, let me know how y'all feel about it. If y'all gonna trade y'all 15 to 19 Hellcat in for it, or if y'all just gonna wait to see if a red eye model come out. Because honestly, that's looking like the best solution. Because honestly, I just don't see. I mean, if that's the case, I might as well save 10 grand and get a 19. Honestly, because 19s is 70, MSRP 70. They going for, you could get one for 59. They going for 60. I seen a lot for 59 and 61K right now, and that's almost 10 grand off. So if that's the case, I'll get one of those and just slap one of the wide bodies on it, because it's the same car minus again a couple little suspension setups. And is that worth 10 grand? I just don't think so. A wide body is gonna be extra 6 grand on top anyway. So if I could save, let's say you're saving 4 grand if you do that. You know, even if you get a 19 that's discounted 8 to 9 grand off and get the wide body, you're still saving $2,000 to $3,000. But that's just me, man. We'll see what happens. Honestly, I hope they do something soon, because I'm ready to spend my money, man. Honestly, I've been saving so long for this car. I'm ready to spend some money. So, and the thing is, I've been doing so much car shopping, man. I'm kind of like weighing my options now, because if they don't come out with a red eye model, man, I don't know. I really don't know. I don't know what to do. I've been so like picky on what kind of car I want. So we'll find out, y'all. And y'all enjoy the rest of your day. It's beautiful out right now. It's not raining. It's been actually good weather. Like I said, I'm going to meet my guy at BMW right now, because gotta weigh my options, man. Gotta weigh my options. But that's it, y'all. Y'all have a good rest of your day, man. We out. We gonna see y'all in the next video, man. Peace.